Imagine a world where the footprints of humanity were never impressed upon the Earth. A planet untouched by the architectural might of civilization and unscathed by the environmental impacts of modern industry. If humans had never existed, the world as we envision it would be profoundly different, rippling with ancient echoes and thriving with untamed wilderness. In this alternate reality, let us begin with the vast landscapes. Without human intervention, forests that once carpeted the continents would remain, spreading their green canopies uninhibited. Cities and towns, those bastions of human development, would never have carved out their place from the sprawling woodlands. Instead, biodiversity would flourish. Creatures of every kind might have claimed dominion over terrains now dominated by skyscrapers and suburbs. Large animals such as elephants and bison could have roamed vast areas, shaping the land with their movements. Moreover, aquatic environments would be markedly more pristine. Oceans, rivers, and lakes would teem with life, unhindered by pollution, overfishing, or the devastating effects of climate change induced by human activity. The majestic coral reefs, which have faced significant degradation in our own timeline, might still blaze with the vibrant hues of life, supporting a complex web of marine species. Delving into the timeline devoid of human alteration, the remnants of previous geological epochs would remain starkly visible, unmarred by the excavations and constructions that have littered and transformed landscapes. Mountain ranges would stand in their untouched grandeur, their slopes and valleys home to species that have long vanished from our current biodiversity catalog. Consider also the evolution of animal life. Without humans as the apex predators, certain species we know today might have developed entirely differently. Wolves might have never transformed under our care into beloved domestic dogs. The evolution of birds and insects could have charted a course unchecked by urban environments or agricultural demands. The skies, unobstructed by the plumes of industrial smoke and free from the hum of aircraft, might appear clear and imbued with an ethereal quality. Night would bring a blanket of stars unchallenged by artificial light, a celestial show obscuring them only by the rhythmic dance of clouds. Intriguingly, without human presence, another species might have taken the reins of technological advancement. Intelligent life, perhaps from among the dolphins or social insects like ants, might have emerged to ponder their place in the universe, in the absence of humankind's curiosity and ambition. In conclusion, a world sans humans would undoubtedly be a place of rich, dynamic ecosystems, a planet allowed to follow its natural evolutionary course. The absence of human influence would mean untouched landscapes that speak of nature's pure, undisturbed creativity. Such thoughts lend themselves to pondering the profound impact, both constructive and destructive, that humans have had on our precious planet. Through understanding these possibilities, we can perhaps learn to shape a future that recognizes the delicate balance required to sustain and cherish life in myriad forms. Such reflections invite us to treasure our unique role on Earth and to embrace the responsibility that comes with the power to alter our world. #WhatIf, #WhatNow, hypothetical, #humanity, #unlikely love, #stories.